In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to be a successful newbie affiliate marketer, why you want to start this business, how to add an additional stream of income, and help yourself from not making a ton of newbie mistakes. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are all doing great and staying safe against the worldwide pandemic. My name is Thony Barretto, and right now I'm here to talk about affiliate marketing. I create videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and digital marketing like this one. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe right now, and I will send you a notification and an update whenever I make a new video so you don't miss it out. We all know that while we are under the pandemic, a lot of people's jobs were hit by pay cuts, job loss, and worst case, a ton of debt not being able to pay. Affiliate marketing is one of the solutions to fix our debt problems and possibly change our lives. This skill known as affiliate marketing is one of the skill set that served me well, which literally promotes somebody else's product. It could be a physical product from Amazon, which I discussed on my previous video. A digital product could be a software and could be a service. I want to share with you the step-by-step guide on how do you pick a market, a niche, or an industry to promote. How do you promote this product, and I will walk you through the winning process and what type of pages you need to set up. Be sure to watch this entire video since there are pro tips that I'm going to share with you along the way. And at the end of this video, there's a bonus that will surely help you earn thousands of dollars while doing affiliate marketing. So it's gonna be in-depth, and the best way to start is to dive in right away. Right now, we are on the Amazon's Associate Affiliates Programs website. As you can see, Amazon as a platform is willing to pay you money whenever you refer their product to people that buy stuff on their website. It is the biggest physical product platform out there, and they literally sell everything under the sun. The way this works is you get a certain percent commission on specific categories. As you can see on the standard program fee rates, there is 10% for luxury beauty, 5% for digital music, 4.5% for physical books, kitchen, automotive, and so on and so forth. I'm here to show you a lot of different platforms just like this out there. I'm gonna walk you through the different options to start giving you ideas if you're a total beginner on how this thing actually works. I'm gonna use a simple presentation to discuss it in details. First, as you can see, listed under platforms are Amazon for physical products, ClickBank for digital products, Shopify for softwares, and Fiverr for service. These platforms are willing to pay you commissions, and all you need to do is drive traffic using different platforms or social media. For example, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or email. If a sale is made, they will pay you instantly a percent commission. How lucrative and how much margin depends on the product that they advertise on their platform. Pro tip number 1. What kind of product do you want to promote and in what market? If you're a YouTuber who is into games and with a 1,000 subscriber list, I'm thinking of how to monetize your subscriber without creating any products. Just go to ClickBank Marketplace and go to the games category and click Strategy Guides. Find the product you want to promote and apply as an affiliate. As you can see under Strategy Guides of ClickBank, there are World of Warcraft guides which pays out 50%, 69%, and even up to 75% for FIFA 19 Ultimate Trading Robot. Another one would be 60%, so the range should be around 50 until 75%. commission. There are many different factors that I look at and you want to be looking at when you're thinking about promoting another person's product. I'm gonna walk you through the different factors as well as we go in detail with this step-by-step guide. Not all products are created equal, and you really need to think about these different factors. Factor number 1. Is it easy to sell? Who are the people I'm serving? What are the products they are gonna buy anyway that requires minimal persuasion? Good affiliate marketing is not about persuading somebody from a no to a yes. Good affiliate marketing is thinking about the people who already said yes so that they might as well buy the product anyway through my link. Going back to the gaming category, the strategy guides are really helpful in terms of performing really well while playing the game and being on top of the gaming ranks. Factor number 2. Does it genuinely help them get the result they want to achieve? And does this add value? Factor number 3. Is it a high-ticket product or does it include high-ticket products? Going back to the slide presentation and going back to the Amazon affiliates program, so as you can see, Amazon is considered a low-ticket product because when you sell $100 product and you get a 10% commission, you only get $10. On the other hand, ClickBank, which is considered a high-ticket product, and as you can see, when you sell a $100 product and you get a 75% commission, you get $75, which is $65 more than Amazon. Pro tip number 2. It is way more easier and highly profitable to promote high-ticket products than low-ticket products because it lets you earn more. As an example, a 75% commission compared with a 10% commission has a huge difference. These are digital products that has no real cost associated to it, and the sales is generated if not for you as an affiliate. I think this makes sense, right? Factor number 4. Is it recurring every month? This is the most important factor of them all because with this factor, as considered by you, it tells you that you will be paid every single month as long as the member is paying, or as long as the software is being used, or as long as the supplements are being taken. ClickFunnels is a software that I personally use to help me build my landing pages, opt-in pages, squeeze page, and website. Regardless if I work for this business or not, I do get paid as an affiliate, and the maximum monthly recurring commission is at 40%. Pro tip number 3. Think of affiliate marketing as another resource or asset you have that generates long-term income. Pro tip number 4. There's an affiliate program in every industry you can think of. I will show you an example on the webpage on what these affiliate marketing sites are. To find out other affiliate programs, go to Google, type in your niche, and type in your affiliate program. There are affiliate programs for travel, games, forex, and every industry that you can think of. So go to Google, type the niche, and then put affiliate program. That's all you need to do. Now, before we go to the strategy, just a quick recap. We have identified the platforms, how affiliate marketing works, and the factors that we need to consider in choosing the products you want to promote. Please do not promote directly to the affiliate offer or the platform. This is very important. And this is the number one mistake all newbie marketers do that I observed. If you do this, then you're not building your business. This is really not profitable. You want to be in control of your business. If you're not building a list, you're not building a business. Strategy number 1. You need to build a page that helps you build a list. In marketing, this is called the opt-in or the squeeze page. It is a simple page that lets people enter their name and email address when they land on this page. Instead of driving the traffic through Facebook ads, YouTube videos, Instagram swipes, or email directly to the affiliate platform, drive them to your opt-in page first. You need to go and meet your audience based on where they're hanging out. Can be on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. This is the traffic that you own, and this list belongs to you. You can be promoting anything you want to your list in the future. Strategy number 2. Promote the affiliate offer. Physical product, digital product, service, or software. Strategy number 3. Build a relationship and add value to your list. Then you can sell them more stuff and other affiliate products in the future. So making your list is the most important step in building your business. This is how you get in the affiliate game. And I hope from this video, you get to see the big picture of being a profitable affiliate marketer. And why it's a great business model is because you don't have to deal with product creation. You can already sell branded products. You don't have to deal with shipping. You don't have to deal with order fulfillment. You don't have to deal with customer support. If these 5 reasons are not enough for you, then just think about $50,000 monthly recurring passive income going straight to your bank accounts. Guys, thank you for watching. But before I end this video, please don't let this be one of the many videos that you watched and got great insights but did absolutely nothing. Here's what you need to do and take action. Learn ClickFunnels. A link is in the description below to help you get started right away. Think about what product you want to promote. I've included 2 high-ticket products in the description below that you can start promoting right away with a very good ROI. Start building your own list using the landing page technique. If you found value in this video, and if I was able to convince you to start affiliate marketing right away, let me know in the comments below. Press the like button as it helps to grow the channel. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and so you don't miss it out. This is Tony Barretto signing out, and I'll see you on the next video.